This year we're at Dolley Madison Library, and so we chose as a theme of the Jubilee, Dolley Madison. She was a First Lady, of course, and she was famous for parties, for social gatherings. Every time she had one of these, they were so popular that people had to squeeze in, and so they actually became known as a squeeze, and that's why the subtitle of the Jubilee this year is a Dolley Madison Squeeze. Some of the programs funded by the Fairfax Library Foundation include Changing Lives Through Literature, the Ready-to-Read Early Literacy Outreach to deliver about 30,000 books a year to young preschool children. At the Jubilee this evening we will have a silent auction, quite a number of items. Some are small items, gift cards and the like, others are very large, vacations to Africa and the like. This evening our author is New York Times best-selling author Linda Castillo, and we're just looking very much forward to hearing a few words from her and to having her available here to talk to people, to meet people, and to sign her books. One interesting note about Dolley Madison is it's said that she always carried a book with her to social gatherings so that she would have something to talk about besides politics.